Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to turn slow motion video into normal speed. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, if you have iPhone and you have recorded the video in slow motion and want to get back on normal speed, just simply you have to open that video. Okay guys, now let me show you guys. I have already recorded a video on my phone, so let me show you guys. Here is the video. So you can see here guys, it's very slow from here. As you can see guys, the video is running very slow because I have recorded that video on slow motion. So you can see here guys, so you can notice from here. So if you want to turn this into some normal speed, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to tap on edit icon. Now as you can see guys, here is the video. Let me show you guys. Now as you can see guys, it's running very slow. So you can see here guys, here are the vertical lines. So if you want to turn this video into normal speed, just simply you have to close these pages. So as you can see guys, yes. So let me show you here guys. As you can see guys, now the video has come to normal speed, yes. As you can see guys. So let me show you guys from here. As you can see guys, the video is very slow. So guys, if you want to turn your video into normal speed, just simply you have to follow the process and just simply you have to tap on done and your video will be saved at normal speed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.